Hi everyone, so in this video I just want to tell you about that I don't understand why people are missing the free opportunities. If there is a free webinar, I immediately join the free webinar. And now I want to tell you that whenever I can send connect to someone on LinkedIn and they accept my connection request, then I send a message. If I can show you the message, this is message like that. Hi, I am Ali. I help business grow their online presence through web design, SEO, and social media management, and digital marketing. I enjoy connecting with like-minded professionals. As a welcome, I offer one free growth resource. If you can imagine one free growth resource, just pick what helps you most. Okay, then I give them numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, sometimes 6 if their profile is I think they need that. So they just have to reply the number, but no one. And if I send connections to 10 requests or 20, then there may be one or even no person who they don't want the free thing. Like, I want to tell you that don't miss any free opportunity. If they send me 1, 2, 2, 3, then I will do a whole research to send them the profile review, or how their landing page, is it good or not, or what can they improve. So I don't understand why people are not availing the free opportunity. So if you have any of the free opportunity, you must have to avail. Like, you must try to avail all the free opportunities. So follow and hit the subscribe button. I also have a free resource for you on my website. If you want, you can get it from there. And if you are not if you are on LinkedIn, then just connect to me with the username of Ali Develops. I have all the usernames as Ali Develops, so just connect with me.